Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial. Today I am going to show you 4 best settings in Windows 11 that you should do on your PC right now, because these 4 settings will be protect your data and your operating system from hackers and malicious softwares. So let's start. First you need to click on setting and select privacy and security in the left panel. Select Windows and security, and now select virus and threat protection. Windows 11 don't need antivirus softwares, but you need to keep on this option in your operating system for every time. So now I want to turn on these options. Click on manage setting, real-time protection, turn on this option and turn on this one, and also turn on this one, automatic simple submission and temporal protection. So now we need to turn on second option. The second option is account protection. Dynamic lock is not working because there is no paid phone. Click on this one and click on dynamic lock setting. Okay, allow Windows to automatically lock your device when you are away. When you are away from your computer, this will be direct lock. And now I want to show your third setting on your Windows 11. I want to select firewall and network protection. And here we have 3 types of firewalls: for domain network and private network, and also for public network. Just click on restore setting. You need to turn on these all firewalls on your device. Click on yes. And also I want to show you 4 settings on your Windows 11. Just come on and select apps and browser control, and here select reputation based protection. This option will be protect you on browser and on an internet connection. So these 4 were the best settings on Windows 11 to protect your security. Thank you for watching.